Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day today. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms, and one of those glorious forms today is Lunar Luxury Designer House Collections. Oh yeah, we're going to have a look and see what the Spring Festival offerings are from some of these luxury brands that we love. I've got my double happiness diamond pendant on. I've got a few little pieces of my jade on. I'm wearing my tiger cardi that I love so much, and we are going to get into what the brands are offering us for Lunar Year of the Tiger. Rawr. That was a bit less tiger, rawr, and a little bit more kitten, mew. The Lunar New Year for 2022 is fast approaching, 1st of February this year, and I thought it would be fun to have a look and see what the luxury brands might be offering by way of celebration or marking this occasion. Being a long-time LV lover, I am aware of the lunar collections they bring out every year. I decided maybe a couple of years ago what I might like to do is collect a bandeau from each of the collections until I had the full set of 12 animals, and I haven't done it yet. And I think that's because bandeaus, they're cute, they're pretty, but I don't really use them that much. So I'm aware of the Louis Vuitton collections that come out every year, but not so much the other brands. Not all brands offer a lunar special edition, limited edition collection, but we're going to go through some of the brands that have this year. We're going to be looking at a bit of Versace, a bit of Fendi, a bit of Bottega Veneta, a bit of Balenciaga, a bit of Gucci, and of course LV. I will be looking at my phone through the duration of this video, and I shall also be popping what I'm looking at up on the screen there. And it has been quite tricky to track down and identify which brands have got a Lunar New Year collection, Chinese New Year collection, Spring Festival collection, Year of the Tiger collection, because they all call it something slightly different. And that has made searching for these things a little bit more tricky. We're going to start off with Bottega Veneta, and I think it's fair to say, while they have an entry on their website that says Lunar New Year, it isn't really Lunar New Year. They've got a couple of pieces, like this mini Jodie and the Arco tote, in orange, which is a classic tiger colour, but beyond that I don't really see any tie-in with Lunar New Year or the Year of the Tiger. A bit of orange, and that is about it. There are no tigers on anything, there's no New Year, there's nothing that would differentiate this from just being another new colour release. Balenciaga, however, have taken the idea of Year of the Tiger and they have run with it. Oh yes, they have run with it. There is this dress, it's an oversized dress. It is tiger stripes. There is no subtlety in that whatsoever. It is a tiger dress. They're also doing things like this Balenciaga cap that just has Balenciaga written on the front of it, and then this kind of stylized tiger looks like it's leaping embroidered above it, so that's a little bit more subtle. And then we have that little cagoule, however you pronounce it, bag in the orange. We also have a shirt, and then we have this jumper which has got the classic Balenciaga script running across it. We know, we love, we enjoy this Logo Mania jumper, at least I do. I would like the cardi version please, because I like a good cardi, a good bold cardi, and that is in black and orange, so tiger colours. And then there's some crazy furry slides in tiger print, which I don't think anybody needs those, do they? So a little bit more literal there with the tiger print and the little stylized embroidered tigers. Now let's have a look and see what we have at Versace. Now I think Versace is offering us something a little bit different. We have a collection here that is part created limited editions specially for Year of the Tiger Lunar New Year, like this t-shirt that has a tiger on it, but then other pieces in this collection are just your usual Versace pieces, just in red. So it's a good little match up. It's a bit of a mix and match collection. So we've got the La Medusa small handbag, that's in red. You can get that anyway. This cardigan is really cute. You've got the Versace La Greca print, and then you've got this embroidered tiger just up here. Oh, I think that's really, really cute. I do like that. I do like that a lot. We have this tiny little scarf, which is called a foulard, apparently, with this glorious tiger printed on it. He looked very majestic, no messing around, big, bold, in your face, actually says tiger, year of the tiger. And there's a selection of some of the just red pieces that Versace do. Anyway, it's a really nice collection brought together with the year of the tiger. This shirt is quite cool because on the front it says Versace, absolutely says Versace. Turn around, show them the back of the shirt. Wowzers, that says Versace and year of the tiger, no messing. So I like that. I do like that selection from Versace. There are a few pieces there that I wouldn't mind having myself if I was so inclined. We shall move on now to Fendi. Fendi was the first one really that caught my eye in terms of the year of the tiger stuff offerings, because it felt quite literal again. They have gone with this very strong tiger print or embroidery on this fabric baguette. They do the medium baguette and they've got the midi baguette. In this, the medium comes with a thick shoulder strap, which is also in the tiger print. And I'd be lying if I said I wasn't tempted by it. A baguette is on my horizon. I would like one. I would like maybe the midi baguette, just a little bit smaller, a little bit more compact. And I did consider it. I thought, oh, that's quite cute, that would be fun. But the colours and the print aren't really my deal. I mean, I'm wearing this tiger cardi, but apart from this and a cheap and cheerful shirt I picked up at H&M, I don't have any tiger print stuff. I am much more of a leopard girl. Every year is the year of the leopard as far as I'm concerned. So although the baguette really caught my eye and I thought that is a lot of fun, it looks like a lot of fun, I think it's also a little bit literal and a little bit obvious, and probably it wouldn't stand the test of time for me. This scarf, however, is really cute. I really do like this scarf. It's a little bit more subtle. You've almost got to find the tigers in the print. I quite like that. I do quite like that, yes. Also from Fendi, sticking with the literal, you've got this tiger print t-shirt that has Fendi written across it. It's a no from me. It's just a bit too much. Arguably the most comprehensive Year of the Tiger collection is being served to us by Gucci. Gucci likes to have a lot of fun with these things. Gucci likes to play around with cartoon characters and things like that. So I was really interested to see what they were going to come up with the Year of the Tiger. And to be honest, I was really pleasantly delighted when I saw this really gorgeous kind of pastel-y, kind of almost watercolour-y type. It's not watercolour, it's kind of the colours making me think of watercolour. It's almost like an embroidery style print with these tigers who I find absolutely fascinating. They are a little bit, hello, I'm a tiger, and I find that really endearing. I really, really do. Yeah, it's almost like it's almost a colouring in book that someone started colouring in, hasn't quite finished, but I really, really like it. It surprised me at how subtle it is. It's very subtle, it's very light, it's very fresh, it's actually very elegant and very feminine, I thought. I like the items that they've applied this print to. This card holder, the card case is really quite cute. I could see that with a little horse bit. That'd be quite nice to open your bag and you go, oh, look at that little cutie just nestled in there. What I would say as I'm going through this is navigating the Gucci website is a real pain in the ass. So it has been quite painful to go through this because they have got so many items on here. I really like this mid-heel slingback. I think that looks very, very cool. I'm not I love heels, but I don't wear heels. This could be something that would make me feel a little bit more fancy, a little bit more dressy, but without crippling me. I think they're fun, I think they're elegant. I really, really like those. Quite like the Tiger Horsebit 1955 mini bag, because you get the double straps, you get the webbing strap and you get the same print leather strap. I think that looks really quite cute. I know I said with Fendi it looked really obvious just to chuck a tiger print on something, but this pink hoodie, it's not subtle, is it? But I absolutely think I could rock that, no problem whatsoever. Oh, this pink sweatshirt is so cute, and I love that it's got dark red writing on it. That pink and red combo I absolutely adore. That clash-tastic. A little bit like my lips and my nails. Got red lips and pink nails today. Some of the bolder designs are pretty much your usual Gucci GG Supreme prints with Gucci Tiger emblazoned on it. Very much a less subtle approach to it, but I think it speaks to the range. You've got this range, you've got this kind of very elegant selection that you can choose from, or you've got this really in your face, more of a blunt instrument to choose from, and that's one of the reasons why I'm loving Gucci. I really do love Gucci for this. You know, there's a little bit of something for everyone, almost. And to round off this Year of the Tiger luxury brand collection exploration, yes, we're going to have a look at Louis Vuitton. So one of the first things I mentioned in this video was the bandeaus. The bandeaus every year, they're all slightly, obviously they have a different theme, but you've got some that are a bit more cartoony, like the Year of the Mouse, the Year of the Rat was quite cartoony, and actually last year the Rodeo was quite cartoony as well. But the Tiger one is less cartoony, it's a little bit more elegant. The bandeau is very, very cute, but what really caught my eye was the Precious Tiger square scarf. That design is absolutely beautiful. You've got it in this kind of, it says pink and then it says yellow. And now the pinks, you think, oh, that's actually really nice, but it's quite subdued. You go to the yellow and it's like, bam, really bright, rich kind of primary colours. This tiger box is adorable, but at £1,670 is extortionate. He is quite cute though. I can imagine him looking after a few little knickknacks, little precious things for you. Speaking of precious things, this Precious Tiger bag charm and key holder. He is adorable. Even hubby said, he looked at it and he was like disapproving look. He was like, he is quite cute. Yeah, he is quite cute. And Autumn Beckman sent me a picture of that bag charm, probably November, I think it was November or December, saying, Gwenny, you need this. And I kind of feel like I do need it. And I know these things are expensive. They're meant to be expensive. They're meant to be exclusive. They're meant to be luxury, but much as I think he's absolutely adorable and I love the little fleur-de-lis in his eyes, bright blue eyes, gorgeous, cute little thing that I want to carry with me forever, that is a quarter or a third of a bag, so I have so far avoided buying it, and now it's out of stock, like pretty much all of these things from Louis Vuitton out of stock. This little monogram bracelet with the little tiger charm hanging from it is quite cute. Yes, that's quite cute. It's a little double cuff bracelet. Very sweet. You've got a winter scarf and a beanie. There's another square scarf. Some other things that look completely unrelated. A jigsaw puzzle. That looks like a lot of fun. If you're into jigsaw puzzles that cost £560, that is. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of these Lunar New Year, Chinese New Year, Spring Festival collections, Year of the Tiger goodies. Do you like them? Do you think it's all a little bit of a, it's just a little bit of a cynical way to make more money? chuck out another new collection and hope that people will go for it. Have you bought any of these goodies? Have you got any of these goodies on your wish list? Do you think it's a waste of money, or do you think it's a wonderful little limited edition piece that you'll be able to roll out once every 12 years or potentially use it in between? I am very keen to know what you think. So let me know in the comment section down below, and until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay Fandabbydozy, and bye-bye!